Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to view bank statements in QuickBooks Online for 2025. If you're a business owner or accountant looking to keep your finances in check, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and straightforward. QuickBooks Online is an amazing tool for managing your books, and viewing bank statements is key to staying organized. First, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't connected your bank yet, go to the Banking tab and follow the prompts to link it. This ensures your transactions sync automatically. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Banking or Transactions. This will take you to the Banking Center, where you'll see a list of your connected accounts. Select the specific bank account you want to review. Next, look for the For Review or Statements section on the account page. QuickBooks will display your imported transactions, often pulled directly from your bank. You can click on View Statements to see a detailed breakdown, including dates, amounts, and descriptions. If you need to dig deeper, use the filters at the top to sort by date range, transaction type, or amount. This is super helpful for spotting discrepancies or preparing for taxes. One quick tip: always reconcile your statements monthly to catch any errors early. QuickBooks has built-in tools for this, making it easier than ever. And there you have it. That's how you view bank statements in QuickBooks Online for 2025. This feature not only saves time but also helps maintain accurate records for your business. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.